Use a 2.5 mm hex key to remove the screws that fix the forehead bottom plate. Use a 4 mm hex key to remove the screws that fix the front cover of the handlebar crossbar. Take out the hub. Use a 3 mm hex key to remove the screws fixing the instrument. Use a 2.5 mm hex key to remove the wire harness cover. Use a 2.5 mm hex key to remove the front cover. Remove the front cover. Use a 4 mm hex key to loosen the stem locking screws. Remove the rubber plug. Use a 5 mm hex key to loosen the boom screw. The screw cannot be removed. Install the head tube decorative shell properly. Align the raised parts and install the stem. Install the front cover with the side with words facing the wiring harness. Screw in the fixing screws. Install the instrument. Tighten the fixing screws. Align the raised part of the hub with the groove of the stem and install it. Install the front cover with the side having words facing upwards. First, pre-tighten the 4 screws in a crisscross pattern. Adjust the handlebar until no white lines are visible at both ends, and the grip angle is comfortable. First, screw in the upper screws. Make sure there are no gaps. Then tighten the 4 screws alternately. Install the wire harness cover. Tighten the fixing screws. Reinstall the forehead bottom plate. Adjust the front light to the highest position. Screw in the fixing screws. Adjust the headlight to an appropriate position. Adjust the vehicle to be straight. Tighten the boom screw. Tighten the left and right locking screws alternately and repeatedly. Put the rubber plug back.